If you know anything about Nigerian party culture, it is that the Nigerian jollof rice, fried rice, and coleslaw combo is always a banger. You always look forward to it, and they're just people who know how to make these things right. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make coleslaw from scratch. This is the proper, stable Nigerian coleslaw that you know and you love from parties, and it's really easy. You just need like a couple ingredients and that's about it. I'm using purple cabbage here, and this is a personal preference. If you don't like purple cabbage, just stick to the white one. I just like to use purple cabbage sometimes, not even all the time. So all you want to do is make sure that your cabbages are like clean. I like to soak mine in like vinegar and water before cutting, just because I want to remove like any dirt, any interesting insects that might be in it. So what you do is you put some vinegar, you put some water, and then you just let the cabbage sit in it for a bit before you now remove like the outer part, and then rinse it again before you now slice it or cut it. So that's what I've done for both my white cabbage and my purple cabbage. As you can see, I'm cutting or I'm slicing this to be like very, very thin. You can also use a food processor for this. I decided to chop it or cut it like this because I just feel like anytime I use a food processor, people are always like, oh, what happens to people who don't have food processors? You can do things. Before food processors came into the game, we've been cutting things. Now we're just going to grate our carrots. I'm using this hand chopper thing. I think that's what it's called. You can use any other thing like the ones I use for okra and stuff. You don't have to use anything fancy. Your coleslaw dressing is what makes or breaks your coleslaw, to be honest, and mine is really simple. I like to make some mayonnaise, condensed milk, a little bit of lemon juice, black pepper, and that really is it. All you want to do now is mix. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're coming across a video from my channel, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this every week. So if that sounds like your thing, please subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me. We need to hit 100,000 subscribers this year, by hook or by crook. Well, no crook, but like, yeah, just subscribe. Now all you want to do is mix all your vegetables in a bowl. Add your dressing if you want. You can decide to just mix the vegetables and then put the dressing when people are ready to eat, but I'm just going to mix everything here and then mix the dressing and then just combine it thoroughly, and that is it. Your Nigerian coleslaw is ready to be enjoyed. You don't have to do too much, you don't have to work too much. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me, and do not forget to share the video. It is important. When you share it, it helps the algorithm know that okay, you have actually found this video helpful, and then they're able to push the video to more people like you, and then I'm able to make more videos like this, if that makes sense. That sounds like a lot, but yeah, I am going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.